Hi guys, what is up? My name is Kevin, and in this video I will be showcasing you one of our products. This one is called the HDMI splitter. So basically, our customers or buyers want to get this product because they want to extend one screen to multiple TVs or monitors. So this product solves the problem. So this comes in two variations. We have 1 in 2 out, and the next is 1 in 4 out. For this tutorial video, I will be using the 1 in 2 out. Small box here, so it says HDMI splitter. So this is capable of 4K resolution if your monitor supports one. So it also comes with a power adapter already. So you need to plug this into an outlet so it powers up. So in this case, for the purpose of this tutorial, this will be this laptop here will be our input device, and the two monitors there will be your output device. Okay, so without further ado, let's do this. So just need to plug in the power adapter to the outlet, and you will see that it lights up, so it means that the device is working. Okay, so since this device is 1 in 2 out, so there will be 2 outputs here and 1 input port here. So technically you will need 3 HDMI cables for this to work. The 2 HDMI cables are connected to the monitor or TV, and the other HDMI cable is connected to your laptop. So let's try this out. So I'll just open the TV. So this cable connects to that TV. So I need to plug this into the output, HDMI output number 1. So this is the next monitor right here. Sorry, I had a mix of cables. So this one will be another output for the other monitor. And last, this one is for the input. So basically, you can see that there's signal here. So yeah, so there you have it. So this product solves the issue if you want to duplicate, let's say, one of your inputs into different outputs. So we have the other variation supports up to 4 monitors or 4 TVs. So again, it's very simple. Yeah, I think that covers our tutorial video for this product, HDMI splitter. So if you guys are interested, we sell this product. We're based in Manila, so I will be linking the product in the description. You can get this in our online stores like Shopee or Lazada. Thank you guys.